chickens, birds, dinosaurs, non-avian dinosaurs went extinct 65 million years ago. And this is what we got left. We see the big T-Rex, and then we got these little fuckers running around. So we were talking about non-avian dinosaurs, how they made it through the extinction 65 million years ago. However, there have been other mass extinctions. So the dinosaurs ruled for about 165 million years before they passed away about 65 million years ago. But half of them lived, well, a small portion of them lived, the avian dinosaurs. The non-avian dinosaurs died, the ones that could not fly. And that were big. Usually when you have an extinction, mass extinction, the bigger animals, the more, the ones that are larger than 20 pounds or so, don't make it. Usually because the smaller ones, they procreate more often, they have more babies when they do give birth, and their gestation, the period of pregnancy is much lower. Also, they can burrow under the ground and aren't too as affected as when there's climate change. Also, if you're living in the water and there's radiation from other events that could cause mass extinction, such as gamma ray bursts, such as things like that, exploding stars in the region. If the atmosphere is stripped from that, you'll get a lot of radiation. But if you're living in the water, especially deeper water, you are protected from those rays, from the radiation, from those harmful charged particles emanating from the sun and from the cosmos. Now, the sun blocks a lot of those charged particles from coming in from cosmic rays because it has its own magnetosphere. It has its own heliopause, it's called. Helio meaning sun. The pause it's just like the Voyager Pro, so I got to that point. Now, before the dinosaurs, so the most successful animal are the if you could call them animal, are the insects. They seem to get through almost every mass extinction unscathed. But when they were large, before the dinosaurs, during the Carboniferous period, there was much more oxygen. Everything was like a lush, green, swampy lands. That's where you get most of your coal from, Carboniferous, first trees, but also exploited huge insects, and because the oxygen levels were so high. Now, there's tests done in the labs today, adding more oxygen, and cockroaches got 3 times